Hi everyone, how are you? Today again I have come up with new topic, that is the biggest success killer, and that is mediocrity. Mediocrity is a failing formula, is a falling formula. It never works for anyone. It works for no one. Let me give you an example. Nobody wanna be mediocre. Agree or not? If somebody says, even if somebody says that yes, the guy wanna be a mediocre, ask that somebody same question. If the somebody were given 3 billion without any interest, and would that somebody accept it or not for running the business? The guy who's refusing, the somebody who's refusing would accept it, because they don't have the decisions power. They are not decisive, they are indecisive. They do not take decisions soon. Successful people take decisions fast and then change them slowly. Though unsuccessful people, mediocre, those people who have the mediocrity, those who are mediocre, these people do opposite. They take decisions slowly and change them fastly. Why does it happen? Because in their mind, the thing which is there, that is mediocrity, and these people cannot succeed in their life. You know, I want to tell you, there's a pandemic, COVID-19, but in whole planet there is an epidemic of being average. Only 5% people become successful. Why 95% people do not? Why don't they become successful? Because there is an epidemic of being average something in their mind. There's a scarcity of being obsessed by something. If they kill this scarcity of being obsessed, because once they understand what is the obsession and what they get obsessed by, how do they get obsessed by, so once they kill this scarcity of that being obsessed, this scarcity, so they can become successful. And what happens? They are unsuccessful and they tell others also these stories. So how they can make others successful? They cannot. And they are unhappy also. Unhappy people can't teach you how to be happy. So how unsuccessful people can teach you how to be successful? So mediocrity is a failing formula. It works for no one. So what do you need to do? Despite being surrounded by these people, stay away from these people. Think of positivity. What positive vibes you have? How long you have been working with those people, those who are giving you positive waves? Spend more time with them. So this mediocrity formula will be killed by these people, those who have the positive vibes. Do it. Somehow it will get you those opportunities which these mediocre people do not see, but you can see in future. Thank you guys for listening to me. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been training the people at Jeet Pinnacle Institute to speak English flawlessly and fluently. If you people want to learn, if you people want to deliver your views in English, and if you want to be confident, so do join my institute. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.